Hi guys, welcome to Iguazu, the world's largest and most powerful waterfalls next to each other. The Iguazu waterfalls are located between the countries of Brazil and Argentina. If we look closely in our map, the waterfalls are on the border between the Brazilian province of Paraná and the Argentinian province of Misiones. I visited the Brazilian side for you to give you all the important information about this unique place. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The Iguazu National Park is around 10 minutes by taxi or Uber and around 35 minutes with the bus line 120 from the airport Foz do Iguaçu away. Be careful if you plan to take an Uber in this region. There is a scam going on where the Uber driver asks you to pay more money because supposedly Uber suggests the wrong price. With over 1 million tourists every year, the Iguazu waterfalls are one of the most famous tourist destinations of South America. The entrance fee for visitors is 86 reais, which is around $17. You have the option of paying with cards at the machines or you can pay cash at the counter. And after you bought your ticket, you are allowed to access the park and to use the bus shuttle to the falls that comes every 20 minutes. If you are lucky like me and you are one of the first on the bus, you can sit in the upper area. From up there you have a wonderful view of the beautiful nature. And after a few minutes we will reach our first stop, Macuco Safari. At Macuco Safari you can book your own boat tour to the waterfalls. Keep in mind guys, this tour is not included in the ticket price. The ticket price depends on what tour you choose. The tour begins with an electric vehicle and takes the visitor on a 3-kilometer track where you can enjoy the fauna and flora of the national park. And after that you hop on a boat that takes you directly to the waterfalls. But keep in mind guys, if you don't like to getting wet, then this might not be for you. But in this video it's all about the Waterfall Trail that we will reach at our next stop. And after another few minutes of bus riding we reach our destination. And from there it is just a very short walk to the beginning of the trail. Welcome to the start of the trail. Prepare yourself for a spectacular walk to one of the most beautiful places on our planet. So it's time to make unforgettable pictures. But when you are in such a unique place, you should also never forget to take time to enjoy the nature and the wonderful moment. It is an amazing 1-mile walk from the beginning of our trail to the end where the infamous waterfall Garganta do Diabo is waiting for us. Throughout the entire walk you will see the 275 waterfalls in different angles. And if you love to taking pictures like I do, you won't be able to stop being amazed. Here is another tip. If you prefer a beautiful panoramic view, I would recommend you to visit the Brazilian side over the Argentinian side. The view from there is so beautiful that people line up to take pictures. Approximately in the middle of the trail you have a small restaurant where you can buy something to drink and eat. The closer you get to the biggest and highest waterfall, Garganta do Diabo, the more spectacular and louder the waterfalls become. You are even able to see the people that decided to do the boat tour that I showed you on our first station. The whole trail is in a good condition, but I definitely recommend you to take good shoes with you. Our next stop is one of my favorite platforms because on this platform you can really see the full extent of the waterfalls. Let's be quiet for a second to enjoy the unbelievable power of the nature. The waterfalls are definitely a beautiful experience, but the national park has even more to offer. It is the home of different and rare species of plants and animals, such as different kind of monkeys, a lot of variation of different butterflies, and of course the famous little coatis. They look sweet, but the park warned their guests with warning signs along the path not to touch or feed them. But there are still guests who ignore this warning. Okay guys, we finally made it to our destination. Welcome to Garganta do Diabo. That translated means the devil's throat. And after you have enjoyed your time on one of the most beautiful platforms on earth, guess what? There are 3 more platforms waiting for you. And each of these platforms has its own floor. At this part of the national park you can get extremely close to the waterfalls and witness the power of the nature. I hope you liked the video guys, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything, and tell me what did you like most about the Iguazu waterfalls.